Safety rule number 1. Never jump over a barbed wire fence because this will happen. Ow! Safety rule number 2. Never hit your friends over the head with a piece of wood. Ow! Safety tip number 3. Never brush your legs or arms or face or feet up against stinging nettles. Ow! But if you should do so, there's always such thing as a dock leaf. That's more stinging nettle! Ow! Safety tip number 4. Never investigate crop circles.
What's that in the crop circle?
I come in peace. Safety tip number 5. No matter how much fun it may seem, do not lick abandoned candles. Tasty. Safety tip number 6. However fun it may seem, never streak across the campsite. The campers may not like it and get angry. Safety tip number 7. Make sure you look after your children. We wouldn't want to leave them here now, would we? Mom! Dad! Safety tip number 8. 7 fingers. Make sure you never lose your camera.
Cassie, where's my camera?
Your hand, Rachel.
Oh, oopsie.
Safety tip number 9. Never talk to strangers. Just skip around going la 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 la.
Hey, want to come to my tent?
Okay!
This way, bitch! I'm gonna rock your field. Safety tip number 10. Never leave your handbrake off.
Can't wait to go. This is a nice spot. You can go!
Go!
Safety tip number 11. Never throw a frisbee at somebody's head. Safety tip number 12. Never sit on the roof of your car, especially while it's moving.
Go!
Go!
Yeah, just slowly. Whoa! What's happening? Okay. Camping tip number 13.
Really?
That's not 13.
Yes, it is. 13. Don't sing campfire songs when drunk. They could get a little bit nasty.
Fill up your fire. All is red. Pretty red, actually. All is sore. That's really sore. Round your asshole is gaping. And why? You pussy Japsai. No, there's more. It's pretty fuss-filled.
Safety tip number 14. Never put explosive things on the fire.
Bang!
Bang!
Damn explosives!
Camping tip number 15. Sure you get your mints ready in case you score.
Available in any local store.
Come on, Danny, come to Pleasure Town.
Okay, but just let me get my mints.
Available in any local store.
Camping tip number 16. Make sure you have mutual and musical agreements across the campsite. What are you doing? Hey,
Good man.
pause it! Pause it! Tip number 17. Never trip over the guy ropes. They may hurt a little. Just say what's beautiful.
Oh man, it's really good today. Whoa!
actually tripped over.
Camping tip number 18. Never bundle anyone while they're sleeping. It might get dangerous.
Single bundle. I'm sleeping. I'm still sleeping. I'm broken in.
Camping tip number 19. Never put your fingers into cloudy water like rivers and ponds. What does this do? Ooh. I think it was the fish. Camping tip number 20.
Oh.
I just put my head in the pipe.
Danny? Don't go camping. Luke, never stab yourself in the leg with a skewer. Johnny, don't go camping. Scott, don't turn gay.
I couldn't help it. Kirsty, never get your minge out in public.
Scott,
Too late.
can I reiterate?
Yeah?
Don't go gay.
Okay. Alright. Camping's fun.
Yay.
Let's go again next year.
Don't sing campfire. Camping tip number 10.
Camping dick.
Camping
Oh, the camping. Fill up your pipe. All is red. Pretty red, actually. All is sore. That's really sore. Round your arsehole is gaping. And white. You are pussy Japsai. No, there's more.
Ah.
Pretty pus filled.